How to create a Twitter account using phone number. So if you want to create a Twitter account using phone number, then what you need to do is first you need to go with your search. Under search, you need to search for Twitter sign up. After searching, now here it will take you to create a Twitter account, or you can just simply go to twitter.com, which is on the first, which will take you to the official website. Now here you need to go with create account. Under create account, you need to enter your name, your email address, your date of birth. Make sure that you've entered the email address that you've not used before. And after that, you can go with next. And you need to authenticate your account. So you need to click on authenticate and just verify. And after verifying, now it will ask you for the verification code that you've entered the email address for. So you need to go with the verification code and add the verification code. After adding the verification code, you will need to create a password and your account will be created, right? But if you want to use your mobile number instead of your email, then you won't have an option to create your Twitter with your mobile number, because it will ask you for your email address. You need to enter the email address. After entering the email address and after creating your account, you will then be able to add your mobile number after creating. So once you've created your account using your email address, you can just simply go and log into your account. After logging into your account, you can go with the profile, which is on the bottom left, and here you will have the more section. Under more, you can go with settings and privacy, and from the settings and privacy, you can go with your account information, and under your account information, you need to confirm your password. And after confirming your password, you will have an option to add your mobile number. You can select add mobile number, and after creating your account, you'll be able to add your mobile number. But before that, you won't be able to create your Twitter account using your mobile number. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.